This video is going to show you how to access the ebooks that are available through the Delmae Elementary Library Collection. So you begin by going to the Florence One Schools website, and in the center of the page there's a Student Resource tab. You can access it either by clicking that little icon or by going up to the I Am and selecting a student. If you do the I Am a Student, it'll take you over to the left side menu to the Student Digital Resources. If you clicked on the original little world icon, it'll take you directly to this page. If you scroll down, we're going to go to a site called Destiny Discover, and that houses all of the district's collections. So you need to select your location, which is your state. So we are here in South Carolina. And we just need to type in Delmae. Select our school, click Go, and what you will need is your login information for AR to be able to access our ebooks. If you want to do a search, you can search the entire collection of books that are available in the Delmae Library. However, if you scroll down, you can see our ebooks. These ebooks, they have a little infinity sign in the top left-hand corner that indicates that you can access them at any time. It's not going to be checked out if somebody else is using it, so multiple people can have access to it at the same time. In the top right-hand corner, it has the login, so just click on that, and using your AR username and password, type in your username and your AR password and click Submit. Once it processes it, you'll be able to open up our ebooks, and it'll have your little welcome tag here at the top. There we go, and scroll on down. You can click on whatever ebook you would like. We do have a good variety of them. If we click See All, then you can see that we have all of them listed. You can filter them by AR level, topic, whatever you prefer. I'm just going to scroll down and show you an example really quickly. Here we have, yay, amazing dinosaur facts. So all you have to do is click on Open. Gotta love dinosaurs. It just takes a moment for it to load. It doesn't matter what device you're using. If you're using a Chromebook or tablet, it'll just take a couple moments for it to load. And there we go. I've already opened this book, so it's bringing me back to where I left off with it. Anytime you use one of the ebooks, it will take you directly back to where you left off. So you have your whole book here, and you have your ever so lovely and wonderful little scroll bar at the bottom. You can take it all the way back to the beginning. Or just drop it in the middle, and that works too. So you can read at your leisure, whichever ebook you would like to read. All of them that we do have in the collection are nonfiction, so that is a downside to having your full access, is that it is only for nonfiction titles. However, this does provide a good variety of reading, and with being able to access it at the same time, it's pretty awesome. So I hope you enjoy and use this resource that we have. Thanks!